Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about my mother. My mother is a loving, caring person. Her name is Shamima Yasmin Rima. She is a housewife. Her favorite food is French fry, and her favorite color is black. She loves to plant seeds, and she always helps me with my study, and she's a loving, caring person. She takes care of our family. She always cooks delicious dishes, and that's why I really love her, and she loves me too. She loves to cook. She always cooks for us if we ask for something, and she will always cook it for us, and that's why I love her and she loves me too. Thanks for listening.
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন ইংলিশ মাস্টার, দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী, শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন, লিফটেড 3, ব্লক কে।